सबको
बहुत
बहुत
याद करती हूँ.
याद करती
करती
हूँ.
हूँ.
आप सबको means to all of you. बहुत very. याद करना is the verb. Do you remember what is याद करना? याद करना means to memorize, to remember, and in general to miss. So I miss all of you. I remember all of you very much. You just excuse me for a minute.
Số 1E nóng lạnh luôn.
So what we were doing in last class? You cannot do it. Leave it. What we were doing in last class?
We learned sing.
Huh?
Học giáo cô. Madam học giáo.
Học giao tôi tạm biệt. We were learning the request form of the verb, the question form of the verb, and we have learnt all the vowel signs. We have learnt all vowel signs, and we learnt the order form and the request form of the verb. Did I give you any homework? No.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Cô kêu là đặt câu á mấy đứa.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Miss Thitu? Yes. So what homework I have given? What homework? I asked you to write
I'm
few
sorry,
sentences.
teacher. I don't remember.
No, I requested you. I asked you to write some sentences of request form or the order form of the sentence of the verb in English. Did anyone write? Is anyone has written the sentences in English? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you tell me some sentences?
Sorry. Don't make noise.
Okay, very good. Don't make noise. And some more? I
Uh,
want some
Don't
don't
sentences
scream.
from you. Hmm?
don't play in the classroom.
Don't play in the class. And don't sleep in the class. Don't drink in the class. Okay, all will be the same. And some more. Give me, give me few. And
Remember to do your homework.
very good. Remember to do homework. Hmm. One, two more. Go to school on time. And it's enough. Okay. Don't make noise. Make noise is the verb is sure. With this, we write the word machana. Shor machana means to make noise. The verb is machana. Shor machana, make noise. Polite form, machaye. And order form, machao. I'm telling you this order form, but I request you to write polite form. Okay, polite form in a order way. Don't make noise. Now you make the sentence. Here what we do, shore means noise. Shore is a noun. Shore means noise. Machana means to make noise. So we break it shore mat machaiye. शोर मत मचाइए. Or if you forget to break it, you can say mat shor machaiye. It is also correct. Mat shor machaiye. But normally we break and we say shor mat machaiye. Don't play in the class, you tell me now.
Kaksha.
Kaksha, very good. In the class, kaksha mein
That's a main mat.
mat
खेलिए.
खेलिए. Very good. कक्षा में मत खेलिए. Don't drink in the class, don't sleep in the class. All same. Kaksha mein mat. I write only drink. I did not write coffee. I did not write tea. I did not write soft drink. So kaksha mein mat. Pina, polite form is PGA. Give me some mangoes. Give me means to me. Me is mujhe. मैं becomes मुझे. I I is मैं and to me becomes मुझे. मुझे कुछ some is कुछ. And what is to give? Polite form DGA. There are four verbs which polite form is different. DGA. There are the four verbs lena, dena, pina, karna. Only four verbs which polite form change different than others. Remember to do homework. Homework is this is little difficult word. Do you remember this vowel? This is re. Re se rishi, the
Rich.
sage. Its sign is this in ka. If we put this, it becomes kri. Ga, sorry. Ga, we put this, it becomes gri. This we use in very few words, very few, means 4 5 words only. So homework is greh, ghar, and greh has same meaning, home or house. This is very proper Hindi word. So we say greh and what is work? What is work in Hindi? Work,
Come.
work is calm. It is a common Hindi. In proper Hindi, we say karya. Did I teach you this ra? I don't think I teach you. I did not teach you this. I will teach you today. Wait it. So you remove this sentence. This is this homework is little difficult in Hindi. This I will teach you. Then I will tell you the sentence. Go to school on time. Time is what is the school? School we can write like this also. School We can write like this also, Path Shala. I think this I have taught you. Or another word is Vidyalaya. Did I teach you this consonant? Did I teach you this?
Yes.
Vidyalaya. There are three words for a school. We can write a school like this also. Pathshala, Vidyalaya, all meaning is school. Most easy is Pathshala. On time, time is Samay. Samaya. But we read it Samay. On is par, Samay par. Go is jana. Polite form is jaiye. पाठशाला समय पर जाइए. We can also write समय पर पाठशाला जाइए. In Hindi, the verb comes at the end, which is very important. Other words we can write here and there. समय पर पाठशाला जाइए. पाठशाला समय पर जाइए. Same. Okay. Just all of you 2-3 minutes revise all these things.
Madam,
Yes.
please can you think slowly? I can't write.
You write, it is there. What you could not write.
Uh,
Only one word I missed, I think. I is मैं and me is मुझे.
Sure.
Okay? That is not there. I don't know.
Yes, madam. Okay.
Can I erase now?
Okay. Okay, madam.
Yeah, I have taught you half consonants. Like ka, we write half like this. Na, we write like this. Cha, we write like this. This all I have taught you. But there is a consonant, yeah, the, we like write half like this. But there is a consonant ra. This we write half, but there are two ways. And it is very important and little difficult. Not difficult, but little confusing. So please understand. One is we put this on the top. One is we put one line below the consonant. Like mostly the words which are in English, we write in Hindi, we use this. What is this word? Park. You know park? In
Yes.
English, do you know park?
Yes.
Okay. Ab how to write this park in Hindi? If we write like this, then how we will read this?
Park.
Parak.
Parak.
It is not park. So how to write? So when such type of words are there in Hindi, then we write like this. It is park. So pa has a sign. Pa. Okay. Ab now ra sound is little before ka. So when this ra is before the consonant, then we keep put this ra sign here like this. And then we read pa, ra, ka, park. Say park. Another word, few words I am giving example, with that you will understand. Work. Work in Hindi is calm, but this is the common word. The proper word for work is karya. We write like this, karya. Everybody say karya.
Career.
Ab how to write this karya? This ka, we have nothing to do with it. Ka. Then ra is before ya. So we write ya and ra we put here. Karya. See some more words. Hot. Do you remember what is hot? Garam. I teach you garam. This is for small children. The proper in proper Hindi it is garm. It is not garam. We say garam, but in proper Hindi it should be garm. How to
Good.
write garm? This is ga. Ra comes before ma. This is garm. Hen and cock. You know chicken?
Yes.
So the female is hen, the male is cock. In Hindi, cock is murga, hen is murgi. How to write murga? Mu, it is clear. Ma and mu. Murga. This ra comes before ga. So we write ga and this ra we put here. Same murgi, mu, and this ra comes here. Murgi. Same is chair. Chair is kursi. We write like this. But there are not many words, so you can do it.
Madam, what about the other side, madam?
Other side, I will tell you first, make you understand this.
Okay.
Do you remember what is love?
No, madam.
This I teach you in the first class. Pyar. But pyar is a common Hindi. In proper Hindi, love we say prem. Prem. Everyone speak prem.
Prem.
Brain.
Prem. Now you
Brain.
see it is pra.
R.
It is not par.
R.
It is pr. How to make it pra? Pa. And when it is after the consonant pra, the ra is joined with this pa. And after, not before, then this comes down. And this is a sign pray. It becomes pray,
Pray.
pray. This is the proper Hindi.
Mm.
What about Pia, madam? Is that informal or
It is,
something?
we don't speak PR, it is pyar. This is
Yeah,
pyar.
yeah,
It is not PR, pyar.
yeah, yeah.
Pyar and prem has same meaning,
Okay.
but pyar is the common Hindi. Normally, in commonly we say pyar, but in the proper Hindi it is prem.
Okay, friend. Um,
There is another word, kram. Kram. Kram means in the sequence. One, two, three, four. In the sequence, it is called kram. How to write this? Ka. Ra comes after the ka, it goes below. If after, goes below. If before, goes up. This is kram. Kram means one by one, one by one, one by one. How to read this? Karya kram. The work in the sequence, in the line. It means karyakram meaning is program. Any cultural program, any program in Hindi we say karyakram. Karyakram. Everyone speak karyakram.
कार्यक्रम.
from
Karya is work, kram is in sequence, karyakram is program. Homework is this is re-sign Grehe. This it is difficult to read, so we read it Grehe Karya. Karya is work, and the meaning of Grehe is ghar. Ghar is home or house. Grehe Karya is homework. Religion. You know religion?
yes,
Yes. Yes, madam.
Religion is dharm. How to read this word? Dharm. Everybody try to speak this word. Dharm.
Done.
Not
Dham.
dharam. Dharm.
Dham.
How to write this? This is dha. Ra comes before ma. It will go up. Dharm. This, when you will learn the sentences, you will understand slowly, slowly. So dharm is religion. Have you idea of Indian flag? So Indian flag, what is this?
Circle.
Circle. This we called in Hindi dharm chakra. It is not chakra, dharm chakra. Say dharm chakra. Everybody noilai dharm chakra.
Dharm chakra.
Drum
Dharm chakra.
chakra.
Dharm chakra.
Drum
Dharm
Dharm
chakra.
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 It is come phaila dharam. Dharm.
drum
Dham.
Drum.
Dham.
Dharm. Dharm.
Dharm.
drum
If you say dharam, then it will be dharama. Dharam.
Dharm.
It
drum
is not dharam. It is dharm.
drum
Thâm
First
luôn,
say
hậu nó
dha.
thâm luôn.
First say dha.
wa
Then rama. Dharm.
dharm
Yes, it
dharm
is better. So it comes before ma, it will go up. It is before ma, it will go up. Dharm. Now chakra. Cha,
Hả?
cha, and this is kra. Ra comes after the ka. In chakra, cha is okay. This is cha. Now ra comes after the ka. When it comes after, it goes down. Chakra. Dharm chakra. Can I erase some words?
Madam, can I ask about the word homework?
Sorry.
Uh, can I ask about the word homework?
Homework is grahe karya.
Re-
It is difficult to read this. Read this, you have to memorize. We speak like this. Grahe
re-
karya. Grahe, and this is karya.
uh, oh, is the sign at the
This is the sign of re. This sign, we write this sign before this, so it becomes gray. So it is difficult to read like this if we put like this. If you can, then you may put this, gray. But we write gray and there is no other word like this, so we understand. Okay, okay. What is number 15? Did I teach you number 15?
Pandraha.
Sorry, just a minute.
Pandrat. Pan.
Pandrah. Why don't you switch on your cameras, Mr. Chung, Miss Swift? If I see you, I will be happy. So this is Pandraha. How to write this in English? Pandraha.
Pandra.
Is it correct? Pandraha. Now how to write this? It is pan. This is for nasal dot. This become pan. Now it is drah. Ra comes after the. Ra comes after the. When it is after, it goes down. Pandraha. What is sun? What is sun in Hindi? Not Khamfaila, Suraj. Suraj.
Suraj.
How to write? Suraj. But this is the common Hindi. In proper Hindi, we say Surya. Surya. Noilai?
Surya.
Surya. Surya.
Surya.
Surya.
And how to write this? Su. This is Su. It is simple. Long U. Su. Now Ra comes before Ya. Surya. So when it comes before, it goes up. So when the Ra sound comes before the consonant, it goes up. When it is after the consonant, it goes down. And like you know drum, it is an English word. Drum.
cái trống
Drum, tuck, 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 tuck. We play drum. Now how to write this? This is drum. It is D. Ra comes after, so it should go below. But how if it will go below like this, it will look like half D. So in such consonant, we write Ra like this. This is R. Drum. Only with D. Drum. We should write this like this, but this we use to make it half also. So stop the confusion, we write like this. Only in Da we write like this. So it is drum. Train. How to write train? Same, it is tra. Ta. In ta also we write like this. It becomes tray. Train. Okay, just 5 minutes. You go through this and try to understand. You all can revise this in 2 minutes. I'm coming.
Học bữa nay xong về bắn lên đây rồi chưa ta?
chữ R đó. Sao Phật thế?
Trời ơi thì cứ nghĩ một cái là trang trọng cái không trang trọng đi thì cho dễ. Thì đó, cái đó đó, cứ nghĩ vậy
Ê
đi.
mà cái đó làm cái gì mày?
Mình năm mấy á mày.
Bây giờ phân ra ba cái đó cũng tao cũng không biết làm cái gì luôn á.
Ờ. Thì nó cũng giống như cái formal với informal bên tiếng Anh thôi, cứ suy nghĩ gì đi cho nó dễ.
Nhưng mà bên đây nó tới ba cái nữa mà.
Cái hồi nãy cô kêu là danh từ khác, còn cái mà cô dạy rồi tuần trước là động từ. Thấy chưa, học cứ há miệng ra thế là chết đấy.
thêm thêm cái gì vô thành động từ đó tao quên nữa rồi. Khana hay à?
What is moon in Hindi?
Moon in Hindi kìa.
That Chandni is moonlight. Chand. Chandni is moonlight. Chand, and another proper word for moon is
Chan.
read this word. Sorry. Read this. Sorry.
Chan
Chan
Chandrama.
Chan
Chandrama.
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 So this is cha, and this nasal dot is chan. It is not a after na. Chan, dr. This ra comes after da. It will go down. Chandrama. I write again. Chandrama. Chandrama is another name for moon. Chand, Chandrama. Okay. Any problem? This you will understand when you will write or you will read. Any problem? Anybody wants to ask anything? Can I erase now? May I erase? Have you written? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
So now you know all the vowels, all vowel sign, all consonants, and half letters, half consonants. So now we will start grammar today. First tense I'm going to teach you is present indefinite tense. Do you know this present indefinite tense in Hindi?
Is that present? Is that like present tense in English?
It is present simple tense,
Oh,
we
symbol.
say in Hindi. And first of all, I want to tell you present, past, and future. हाँ बेटा खुला है दरवाजा, अंदर आके ना बंद कर देना. Present, past, and future. एक में ज्योति, जब तुम किचन का करो काम ना, नीचे जरूर वो थोड़ी सी जगह है ना, वहां पे एक बारी रोज हल्का हल्का मारती जाओ, जिससे वो काला काला हफ्ते भर में तो हट ही जाएगा. प्रेजेंट इन हिंदी इज वर्तमान. कैन यू रीड दिस वर्ड इन इंग्लिश? कैन यू रीड माई हैंड राइटिंग?
Um,
वर्तमान.
Lord, man,
वर्तमान.
Lord,
Wortman.
Now you see how to write Vartaman. This is Va, Va. This Ra comes before Ta. When it is before, it will go up.
up,
Vartman. Vartaman means present. Anything in present we are doing is all Vartaman. Future is, can you read this? This is half Sha. This Sha. Do you remember Disha? In Hindi, we have one Disha and one Disha. Jyoti, Jyoti, ये दरवाजा बंद कर दो ज्योति. ये दरवाजा बंद कर दो. So both are Sha. ये आवाज जाती है बाहर. Both are Sha. This we write like this. So how to read this future? Bhavishya.
Bhavishya,
Bha. This is Bha. This is V. This is Sha. This is Ya. And this we put to read Bhavishya. End of the word, when there is Ya, it sounds like A. Bhavishya. But there is no A sign. So Vartman is present. Future is Bhavishya. What will happen in Bhavishya? We don't know. Okay. And do you know this word in English?
goats,
Ghost in Hindi. Do you know in English this word? Ghost is bhoot.
bull,
So past we called. Ek minute. Now here I am adding present tense. Present tense. Tense is kal, not kal. Kal. Vartman kal is present tense. Bhoot kal is past tense. So past tense we use bhutkal, and future tense, here I am writing it a little different. Future tense is bhavishya, and then we add ta, bhavishyat, bhavishyat kal is future tense. Bhavishya is future, bhavishyat kal is future tense. Bhoot is ghost and bhutkal is past tense. Present tense is present is vartman. Present tense is vartman kal. Please switch on your camera, Mr. Teo.
Mở camera kìa, học chân cứng của cô.
Okay. So there are three tenses: Vartman Kal, Bhutkal, Bhavishyat Kal. Present indefinite tense is a present tense. Present simple tense normally we say. In which we don't know the time when we do this, but we do this. Have you written? Should I erase? I have a small board only. In present indefinite tense, in present simple tense, we remove the na from the verb and we add ta, ti, te. Where we use ta, where we use ti, where we use te depend on the number and gender of the subject. I'm taking the example to eat. What is to eat? This you should remember. You need not to see your notebooks. Khana. These simple common verbs you should remember. Khana. We will remove this na and we will add khata, khati, khate. After one semester, you must understand where we use khata, we use for male and singular. Khati, female and singular and plural. Khate we use for male and male plus female and plural. If male and female both, then also we write khate. If all male, khate, and it should be plural. Khati singular, female, and all females, then also it is khati. Okay. Now take the example I eat mango. I is Madam Saxena. Madam Saxena is female. So now translate what is I? What is I?
แม่
मैं. In Hindi, the verb comes at the end of the sentence. मैं am. Now what will be eat here? Khata, khati, khate. What will come here?
อาตี้
Khati.
Very good. Khati. And it always end with मैं. With मैं in present tense, it mokcham pancham ends with whom. If it is male, then khata hu. Now, you eat mango. And you is male or female? What do you want is male. Sorry, is male. Now what is you? What is you?
อาบ
Aap, not up. Aap are longer. Aap,
อาบ
Up.
อาม
aam,
คัดเต้
Te.
คัดเต้
khate.
Hum Hum hay là hen
Who comes only with man? Who comes only with man? With aap, it is plural form hain. With nasal dot. आप आम खाते हैं. If it is female, आप आम खाती हैं. We eat mango. And we is male plus female both. Then हम आम खाते हैं. आम singular plural is same. which I will teach you. Maybe next class I will teach you this singular plural. Is it clear? Any
Yes.
problem?
No problem. Có problem gì không?
Sorry? What did you say?
I don't have a problem.
You don't have problem. Very good. Can I erase?
Yes, madam.
Some student, I think they could not write. Any other question words? Any other question words? Huh?
No,
Tell
madam.
me if I have left any question word. Why? And hết rồi. Chắc chắn.
Fullness. Chắc không đâu.
Ủa có who's không em?
Whose?
If remember can tell me.
Cái đó có phải là từ để hỏi không? Cái đó là gì rồi?
Sự
Ông
hữu.
Okay, so what is what? Kya?
Kia.
Where? Kahan?
N.
Kahan?
Cờ.
When? Kab?
Cầm.
Kab?
Cầm.
How? Yes. Sorry, Kasa. It should be Kasa, not Kase.
Cái chỗ đó nhỏ à, bên em ghi. Bên em chỗ đó nhỏ.
Gói quá rồi. Nó bùi nhùi.
Cái
Which?
bảng nó hơi nhỏ.
कौन सा? फूल कौन?
Còn hát thì dữ vô.
What is क्या? Where is कहाँ? When कब? How कैसा? Which कौन सा? Who कौन? Whom किसको? Why क्यों? Now we will translate some sentences. Where do you go? Now first we will write subject, then question, then go. And you is female. Where do you go? Now try to translate.
आप
आप कहाँ कहाँ
कहाँ
To go is जाना. We remove na, so it will becomes jata, jati, jate. So what will come here? Jati. And with aap, we always write plural form. Jati hain. Not hai, hain.
है
आप कहाँ जाती हैं?
आप कहाँ ती है
I go to market. What is market? Market is bazaar. Bazaar.
Bazaar.
The one very, very important thing all of you listen and understand. To is ko. But in Hindi, when to is for non-living things. In Hindi, when to is for non-living things, we don't write ko. So market is non-living. So we don't translate to. If it is give flowers to Madam Sadhana. So Madam Sadhana is living things. Then we write sadhana ko. But here we will not write. And another thing, the preposition in Hindi comes before the noun. Sorry. In Hindi, preposition comes after the noun. In English, it is before the noun. That is why we call preposition. But Hindi, it becomes postposition. Inki position is after the noun. So I go to market. मैं बाजार खम फाइला को. मैं बाजार जाती हूँ. With मैं, it is मोक्षम फंचम हूँ. मैं बाजार जाती हूँ.
I think jati is correct.
जाती. Yes. Because the question is आप कहाँ जाती हैं, means the question is to female. मैं बाजार जाती हूँ. Sorry, first let me come here. So where do you go? आप कहाँ जाती हैं? If it is do you go? Do you go? You understand the difference between where do you go and do you go? Where do you go means going somewhere. So then asking where. Do you go means you go or you may not go. So do you go? Then it is the question. Here do will translate like kya, aap, and this is male. क्या आप जाते हैं? Do you eat? Do you eat mango? क्या आप आम खाते हैं? What do you eat? What do you eat? Now translate. What do you eat?
आप
Hmm. आप क्या खाते हैं? Now क्या will comes after the verb. आप क्या खाते हैं?
ते हैं
आप क्या खाते हैं?
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay, madam.
What do you do? You want male or female? You male or female? What do you want?
Female, madam.
Female. What do you do? The meaning is if you are doing something, then also we can ask what do you do? Or in general, we ask what do you do means what is your work? What is your job? That also, if you are not doing, if you are doing something and somebody is asking what do you do? If in conversation you are meeting someone and they're asking what do you do means what is your job? What is your work? So here one do is for present simple tense and one do is for to do. So what do you do? आप
आप
क्या
किया जाती
very good करती हैं?
है
आप क्या करती हैं?
किया जाती है
I teach Hindi. I teach Hindi. Translate. What is to teach? What is to study?
uh,
What
sitting,
is to study or to read?
बैठना
Bertha.
It is padna.
बैठना
Padna is to study
Bertha.
and padana is to teach. Padna is to study and to read and padana is to teach. I teach Hindi. मैं how to write Hindi? Hin nasal dot the or we can write Hindi like this also. He half na and the Hindi. Pa ra ti
Rati.
पढ़ाती है with मैं it is mokcham pancham हूँ with मैं in present tense it is always हूँ come find है मैं हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ yes who is only with मैं if subject is मैं then it is who only है and है is with all with आप is हैं. If suppose Sadhana teaches Hindi, Sadhana teaches Hindi. Then sadhana,
Nào là
what does she do? She is not a respected person. She is your maid servant. She is your younger sister. What is she in Hindi? वह क्या करती है? वह क्या करती है? What does she do? She cleans the house. Translate this. ज्योति ऊपर गई क्या? अच्छा. She cleans the house. What is to clean? Huh? To clean is साफ. Very good, no problem.
करना,
साफ करना.
साफ करना,
She cleans the house. वह घर साफ करती है. Is it okay now? Is it okay? You understand now? Who comes only? There are 2, 3 very important things. One important thing is whom and with मैं only. Second thing, with आप always plural form of the verb. Means जाते खाते या जाती, it ends with and. With आप. What happened? Tell me, I also want to laugh. Tell me, why are you laughing?
No problem.
No, I'm not saying problem. I want to laugh. You tell me, I will also laugh.
It's okay, madam. It's my
Sorry. I'm writing in Hindi. Who cook food in your house? It is sounding big sentence, but it is very easy. Now we will translate first in your house. Your house, it is aapka, but it becomes aapke. Ghar mein. In your house is aapka ghar. If it is only your house, aapka ghar. But in your house, aapka becomes aapke. This I will teach you later. Aapke ghar mein who is what is who in Hindi? Kaun.
Con.
Cook food, khana. What is cook? What is cook? Did I
Khana.
tell you to cook?
Tung hê.
No.
Bacana.
What is to cook?
Banana.
Bacana.
There are two
Bacana.
words, banana
Banana.
and pakana. It is not English banana, it is Hindi banana. Banana and pakana, both is correct. तो
Oh,
आपके
Pakan.
घर में कौन खाना बनाता है? Now you see, when you don't know, it is who means you don't know your mummy cook or your father cook, your brother cook or your sister cook. Normally in India and in Vietnam, the females they cook. But when we don't know, then we always write male form. Okay? So आपके घर में कौन खाना बनाता है? Now give me answer.
My mom.
Tell me in English. In full sentence. In my house, mother, my mother cooks the food
Every day.
And
every
every
day.
day nữa.
Thử coi đặt cái
Every
đó ở đâu.
Ngồi nó rối lên rồi mày hối hận.
Cái câu
What is
2 giờ không có
every
nổi.
day in Hindi?
Hậu
Acha,
ơi.
first we will write in my house.
How can answer this
मेरे
question mà nè?
Ủa chơi để học chung chứ bộ.
Không muốn
Now here listen to me first, then you can cut jokes. I will give you time to talk. My house is mera ghar. But in my house, because of in, mera becomes mere. How and why, this I will teach you when I will teach you all this singular plural. So in my house, mere ghar mein. My mother, meri Mata ji.
Mà ta đúng rồi.
Every day,
9
Huh?
Din.
Her din. Very good. Every is Hardin is very correct, but every for anything, every day, every week, every year, everybody, we use for this one word which is called
Ờ,
prati. Prati.
Prati.
This is again, it is not parati, prati, pra. So this
Pra.
ra
Prati.
Pra.
comes after the pa. So it will go down.
Ồ,
Prati
Prati.
din. Din
Prati.
Din.
is every day. It is very proper Hindi and very good Hindi. Har din is also correct. Okay. Every year, what is year? This is very important what I am teaching you right now.
Asthma.
Sorry, say again. Varsh. Very good.
Bali.
Year is Varsh.
Dạ ta thì nó cũng
And
bài
this is
hiểu.
very important word because the India name is also Bharat Varsh. The full name of India is Bharat Varsh. So how to write Varsh? Va. This is very clear. Va. This Ra comes before Sha. And here we use this Sha. This we need to remember. Cannot write here. I'll write that place. Here is Varsh. This is Va. Ra comes before Sha, and here we use this Sha. This you have to remember. And this Ra will go up because it is before Varsh. And another common word for year is Sal. But when we say every year, then we will say Prati Varsh. Prati Varsh. Prati Varsh is every year. And if we use Sal, then we say Har Sal. This is common Hindi. Har Sal means every year. ऊपर जाए तो बोल के जाना, गए ऊपर. अच्छा, बाहर जरूर धो देना और बस एक ही कमरा कर देना. बाहर थोड़ा ठीक से धो देना. अच्छा, दूसरा, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इंडिया in Hindi?
Bharat.
Bharat, in short, we say Bharat and we accept this, okay, Bharat. But the proper name of India is Bharat Varsh. The full name of India is Bharat Varsh. Okay? We also write for India like this also. India. We also say Hindustan. But the proper Hindi word for India is Bharat Varsh. Do you need break for some time?
Yes, madam.
Okay, for how many minutes?
30 minutes.
Huh?
30.
20 minutes, madam.
Okay. Okay, take break for 20 minutes.